Hi guys, I'm Sophie from Art Makeup by Sophie. In today's video I'm going to show you how I create a gunshot wound with scar wax. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, subscribe here down below, and without further ado, let's get into the video.
I'm using scar wax for this tutorial, but first I remove makeup off my forehead and then I apply the scar wax and flat the edges a bit out. Make sure you have some oil or Vaseline on your fingers. Right now I'm using coconut oil, but you can use whatever you have, because otherwise it will stick to your fingers, and this also makes it easier to blend out. Now I'm making a hole into the scar wax wound with a bobby pin. Then I continue with some foundation and then set it all in place with some setting powder. I'm putting some bronzing powder around the wound to bruise it a bit up, and then I'm doing just the same thing with the darker brown. Then I fill the wound in with some black liquid eyeliner to create some definition. Then I fill the wound in with fake blood, but make sure that it doesn't drip too far down. And at last but not least, I'm stippling some fake blood around the wound with the self-made stippling sponge.
This is the final look. I hope you liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe on my YouTube channel, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!